Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make text go in a circle here in Canva. This is a fun and visually impactful technique, especially useful for logos, branding, or creating unique designs for your Shopify store, social media, and more. Now this only works if you have a long enough text. If you have short text, you're not going to be able to make it into a full circle, and I'll be able to show you that in a second, so stick around. But to turn this text here into a circle, all we have to do is click on the text. Once the text is selected, we want to come up to Effects, which is located on the top toolbar. After clicking on Effects, scroll all the way down to where we see the Curved option. Now when you click on Curved, the text will immediately begin to curve along a line. This is a great starting point for adding dynamic shapes to your text. But to transform the text into a full circle, we need to adjust the curve further. So if we come to the little bar here and start increasing the curve, as you can see, it's going to bend the text more and more, eventually turning it into a circle. The more you increase the curve, the tighter the text will become. Now, it's important to find the happy medium so we can still read all of the text clearly. So let's play around with it a bit until we find that sweet spot. And there we go. Our text is now a perfect circle. However, if you don't have enough text, we can't make it a full circle. It's only going to curve. So if we click on the text again, go back to Effects, and slide the curve bar all the way up, you'll notice that the text isn't quite long enough to form a complete circle. The curve will only go so far before the text stops forming a circular shape. So if you're planning to create circular text, just remember that you need a long enough string of text to make it work. This technique is perfect for adding text to logos, badges, or designs where circular text is needed to frame or complement other elements. But nonetheless, that's how simple it is to make your text go in a circle here in Canva. It's a straightforward and easy to master tool that can elevate your designs and make them stand out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to try creating circular text in Canva for your own designs. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and motivates me to keep making more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos filled with design tips and tricks.